Mm. What a week he's had, having to witness like his companion in that condition. At this point, I'm just really hoping that when I go visit Speedy at the vet tomorrow, like, everything went well. He's healthier than he was today. I don't know. I love rabbits. I love my rabbits. But God forbid something tragic happens, I'm gonna be so scared to get them again, because I get so attached to my animals, like so attached. Like, I don't hang out with people, I hang out with my animals. So, like, the bond I have with them is really intense. So, like, I cannot handle, like, just having any of my animals die. Like, the feeling is, like, so shitty. Like, can't even talk about it. Like, ew. Anyway, please keep Speedy in your thoughts. So cute. He's so cute. Of all my rabbits, he'll always just, like, lick me. So cute when he does that. Pretty good right now, like, because I just spoke to the vet and they said he is alive. Like, they said for now he's alive. Like, that was my biggest thing. Like, I just don't want him to die. Obviously, I don't want him to be, like unhealthy and but fuck, at least now I'm, like, even more optimistic. But yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna visit him in the morning. This has definitely given me some painting inspiration. What is this? So that's what I'm doing tonight. I'm gonna do some painting. My binoculars arrived.